Di hadapan para pemimpin dunia, podium tertinggi PBB menjadi saksi. Presiden Republik Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, berdiri dengan wibawa. Sorot mata tajam, suara lantang, seakan menggema ke seluruh penjuru dunia. Ia tidak hanya berbicara untuk Indonesia, tetapi untuk keadilan, perdamaian, dan martabat bangsa-bangsa. Dari ruang sidang megah itu, pesan Prabowo menggetarkan hati, bahwa dunia harus bersatu, bahwa kebenaran tak boleh kalah oleh keserakahan. Mari kita dengar bersama-sama pidato Presiden Republik Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto.
China, the Islamic world, the whole world, I am convinced they will rise to the role demanded by history. We are all hopeful that the leaders of the world will show great statesmanship, great wisdom, restraint, humility, overcome hate, overcome suspicion. Madam President, distinguished delegates, we are greatly heartened by the events of the last few days, where significant leading countries of the world have chosen to side with history, to choose the right side of history, the path of the moral high ground, the path of rectitude, the path of justice, the path of humanity, to shun hatred, to overcome suspicion, and to avoid the use of violence. The use of violence will beget violence. No one country can bully the whole community of the human family. We may be weak individually, but the sense of oppression, the sense of injustice has proven in the history of mankind that this sense of injustice, this sense of oppression will unite into a strong force that will overcome this oppression, that will overcome this injustice. To close, I would like to reiterate again Indonesia's complete support for the two-state solution in Palestine. We must have an independent Palestine, but we must also recognize, we must also respect, and we must also guarantee the safety and security of Israel. Only then we can have real peace, and no longer hate and no longer suspicion. The only solution is this two-state solution. Two descendants of Abraham must live in reconciliation, peace and harmony. Arabs, Jews, Muslims, Christians, Hindus, Buddhists, all religions, we must live as one human family. Indonesia is committed to being part of making this vision a reality. Is this a dream? Maybe, but this is the beautiful dream that we must work together towards. Let us work towards this noble goal. Let us continue humanity's journey of hope, a journey started by our forefathers, a journey that we must complete. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Om Santi, Santi, Santi Om. Namo Buddhaya. Thank you very much. May God bless us all. May peace be upon us.
Ditambah dengan sangat bagus, ini menjadi sebuah brand baru.
Reformasi PBB.
Ya, sangat bagus pesan yang beliau sampaikan. Bapak Presiden menyampaikan sebuah pesan yang tegas, pesan yang berani, pesan yang jelas. Saya kira sangat bagus, utamanya yang berkaitan dengan kemerdekaan Palestina. Ditambah dengan sangat bagus, ini menjadi sebuah brand baru.
Media Israel dan India ikut menyoroti salam penutup pidato Presiden Prabowo di PBB.
Then we can have real peace. Real peace. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom.
Dalam pidatonya yang lantang, Prabowo menutup dengan salam khas Indonesia. Media Israel menilai itu sebagai penegasan identitas Indonesia di panggung dunia. Sementara media India menyebut salam tersebut sebagai cerminan keberagaman bangsa. Pidato ini jadi sorotan global, bukan hanya karena isi, tapi juga gaya penyampaiannya. Prabowo dianggap berhasil membawa karakter Indonesia ke forum dunia.